Okay, mic check. Hey, hello. Yep. Welcome today to the Shadowing the Big Boys live streaming. So this streaming, as usual, I will be covering the market analysis that I have done for the week to come. So yeah, let's take a look at what we do have now. Right now it's actually about 8:30 data from China itself. Then later on in the day, nothing too fancy, no big news and stuff like that, but more like there's this BOE governor that will be speaking, and then yeah, Tuesday wise there's also a high impact news from the pound side. Then yeah, Wednesday and Thursday. I mean Wednesday there will be New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. This interest rate. Maybe they will increase. They will. Yeah. I mean from the forecast, it seems like they the New Zealand dollar will stay put with their rate at 5.5%. Then Canadian dollar might increase 25 basis points. So yeah, that's that. And then for Thursday and Friday, yeah, some high level news that will be coming out. So that's all for the week. I think mainly the mover, the more high impact mover will be New Zealand dollar and Canadian um, dollar on Wednesday itself for the interest rate. So other than that, nothing much. So yeah, let's move on back to the chart. All right, so yeah, we are at the I mean we are on the US dollar chart. So yeah, let's revisit a bit on. I think like we can cover a bit on the new. I mean sorry, the US dollar, and then also the euro. I think yeah, euro, New Zealand dollar that I've mentioned about it last week. So yeah, pertaining to the US dollar, I think you can quite. I mean, you can see quite obviously on the daily time frame that you do have this downtrend line, which I've mentioned a couple of times. Over last week or even the week before. Yeah, so there's this downtrend line which it has been tested a couple of times, more than three times, four times over here. So last week what happened was I did mention on my idea. I think there's two scenario that might be playing out. So it's either that the USD is going to be bullish and go up, continuing its 4 hourly, because last week before that I think yeah, we can just do it this way. Before Monday, yeah, it was like this. So it was yeah, going up, and I mean it's forming higher high and high low on the 4 hourly. So yeah, if it was able to actually break out from here, forming a new high here, then most likely it it will be having a uptrend on that basis. But then yeah, so things actually play out the other way around, which is after non-farm payroll. Okay, so basically this trend line was broke, and then the thing is that yeah, this sort of like a double top has been formed on the 4 hourly. So yeah, this is the too high if you are not able to see them. So over here, I- okay, yep. So here and over here, yep. This is the too high that has been formed. So basically, what moving forward, of course, right now there's this new low that's formed. Then as a higher time frame perspective, then of course we are looking at this to play out over here. So yeah, I mean, of course, do be mindful if the level is going to come to this zone. That definitely there there would be some reaction for on the price itself. So yeah, over here, you see over here, it might also happen that it just broke down. I mean, broke through this support. No, nobody knows, but the odds of it. I mean, the odds of you shorting here will definitely be much lower if you compare yourself. If you are shorting along the way when it came down, non-farm payroll, after the non-farm payroll, then yeah, it it is not, yeah, it won't be so, what you call that, lucrative, or higher probability. So yeah, in any way, let's look at the lower time frame for next week on, like on the 1 hourly, to look for pullback for you to go on to short this, yeah, short this USD, as in USD major. So yeah, just take this as the reference, and then trade accordingly for your euro USD, and then for the pound USD. So on the major itself, I would say probably for the pound, it has been substantial in its movement, as it's more bullish as compared to the others like Aussie dollar and then New Zealand dollar. So yeah, you can also take reference from the other majors, looking at where are they exactly. So yeah, for the Australian dollar, it might be ending up in a range if, let's say, US dollar is to take a turn on a lower time frame to goes, as in pullback from where it is right now. So yeah, just keep mindful of that. Then last week I actually mentioned about this Euro New Zealand dollar. So Euro New Zealand dollar, it I did mention on the daily. I think daily itself, it still seems like it's quite a good uptrend on that basis. And then for the 4 hourly, I think yeah, on Friday, so I mean, even before the week started, I was saying that this might be holding, but of course, things you need to take things as of it is what actually happened at that time period. So if you were to go down to a low time frame, there might not have been any, I mean, depending on how you trade, there might be not is set up. I mean, in my instance, I mean, for my instance, or for my in my perspective, I don't think I will be going on long in this type of range. So the range, either, it can play out three ways. Basically, it can range all the way. It can range all the way for the whole week. It can also break down at certain point. So this, for last week itself, it it went the other way around. So yeah, this was the breakout, and then it went the other way. So as a trader yourself, you can have your bias in terms of like, okay, it is correcting quite substantially already, and it had actually came to this, you can call it a demand zone, and it went sideways for a while. So that's when you need to decide, are you going to go on long? I mean, long being said that nothing has confirmed, there's no breakout saying that the bull is winning this in this instance. So for me, I would be going on long in this context. So yeah, I mean, I've waited, and then this, although it did not come in line with what I have anticipated. But yeah, as a trader, as I mentioned, need to be flexible. If this is a correction, it might correct even deeper. So this could be your entry for you to short the breakdown on this consolidation. Okay, so that is how things played out for last week for Euro New Zealand. So that is just to recap what has happened. So, but yeah, on the daily time frame, just to think, I think I think for Euro New Zealand, you still should be able to yeah, this pullback should be a good pullback for you to look for long. I mean, for right now, you do have a 3 bar reversal over here, and then probably on tomorrow itself. I mean, for but do take note, yeah, this is also a New Zealand dollar pair. So on Thursday or Thursday. I think Thursday, yeah, Thursday, you do have the cash rate and stuff like that. So yeah, probably you might want to take a look at this trend to continue pushing upwards, breaking the high over here, or it can also I mean pull back and yeah, go up. But yeah, let's see what are the things that we will see for next week, and let's continue on. So yeah, this Euro New Zealand actually is one of the pair that I will be looking at, and then yeah, this is part of the look forward that analysis that I have for Euro New Zealand, or rather for next week itself. Then other than Euro New Zealand, which I have put up on in my trading idea, I also mentioned about Canadian Swiss franc that you might be interested in looking at. So Canadian Swiss franc, yeah. So this is, let's go on to the daily time frame. So yeah, this is the I mean, no doubt it's a very bearish downtrend, and then over here you do have a consolidation at the previous key zones right over here. So it has been ding donging over here for quite some time, and yeah, if you do take note of this, then it has been a range that has broke out over here. So this is the new lower low that you can find, or rather you can observe on the 4 hourly. So yeah, maybe what we can look for is a pullback. It can continue, of course, going down further, but yeah, so you can trade the continuation, but of course, if there's a pullback, that will be better in that sense. Okay, so yeah, I'll be looking for pullback or continuation for this to play, yeah, to basically go down further. Okay, so that's Canadian Swiss franc, and then on the US dollar yen, right? I would say this might be a start of a new correction, which it has happened before in the past. Like for example, over here, over here, then there's also this type of correction after a very strong bull run. Okay, over here, something like this, and it might have quite significant pullback to maybe levels like this. Okay, maybe to level like this, and then yeah, or to level like this. I mean, this is just hypothetical level that the price might be looking at. Okay, so even here, this is a support level for the USD yen. Okay, so something like this might be happening. So yeah, just keep a lookout on this. And then for the yen crosses, I think Aussie's yen and then Canadian yen might be some pairs that you want to look at if let's say things play out and yen actually became stronger. Okay, yen stronger, of course, means that the crosses will be coming down. Okay, so that is that, and then last but not least, I think looking back at this US dollar SIG, US dollar SIG. So this is one of the other pair that I will be looking at. I mean, of course, this is not the pair that I often look at, but I do screen them over the weekend or sometime, I mean, during the week, just to see if there's anything that I will be interested in looking at. So yeah, this is the strong demand supply zone for dollar sync, and it has been consolidating for quite some time. I mean, yeah, even for the past few times, you do see that you have something here, and then over here also. Okay, so right now this is the third time, yeah, third time, or you can count it as a fourth time, retesting this level. So this is a I would put it as a, yeah, head and shoulder, and this head and shoulder you do have a lower low that has been formed. So yeah, there might be correction, and the correction how deep back into the zone, I'm not sure, rather it can also just go down further from here on. Yeah, especially on Monday, maybe on the Asia when the Asia market open, it can go down further. Yeah, when they start to react to the um, non-farm payroll data on Friday, which was released on Friday. Okay, so yeah, nevertheless, this is for me is a, yeah, downward, or rather, yeah, a um, bear, bearish reversal. Okay, so looking to short for this. So yeah, for this week wise, these are the pairs that I want to cover, and then all the best for your trading next week. And yeah, if you find that this analysis and trading analysis is helpful for you, you might want to share with your friend, with someone that you know, and also like and share if you really find it useful for yourself. Okay, so see you all next week, and yeah, bye bye.